Greetings from Dystopia, episode 196. Let's go look at some birds. Down here at Four Rivers Environmental Education Center. Man, that's a mouthful. Again, just came down to see what I can see down here on the point and take a look around, see if we can find anything else. I do have to laugh. Right after I first got here, I walked out by a pavilion that's here. There's a woman there with her dog, and she says, "Am I going to see your photos on Facebook tonight?" Assuming she means the Will County Wildlife Group. I said, probably. You know, obviously, if I get anything worth sharing, it'll be up there. And then, I finish my loop, and I come down here, and I'm walking down this paved trail that's back behind you guys a little bit. And a woman on her bicycle comes by, and she's like, "Hey, are you that shut the up and fish guy?" Says the whole thing. And she's like, "I've been watching your YouTube videos." That's kind of weird with 40-some subscribers, and now that's the third time somebody's picked me out. So, I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing with that few subscribers that people are starting to recognize me. I'll take it as a good sign. Anyways, let's walk up to the point and see what we can find. Alright folks, that's it for today. Not too bad. I didn't get a lot of footage, but most of it was messed up by bass fishermen. Alright guys, that's it for today. Be good, be well, wear a mask if you have to, stay smart, be strong, stay mighty. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.